Hey everyone, happy Self Love Sunday. So, as we approach the end of the year, a lot of people will be looking towards making changes in their lives. And now, change can be very difficult if we are a little resistant to it, because that means giving up our old patterns, our old way of being, of giving up our old belief systems, of really taking a look at that and reflecting on it to see what actually works for us and what doesn't. And that reflection can be a little bit daunting because now we are changing up everything that has become perpetual or habitual in our lives. And we kind of have to stay on top of it. We have to stay on top of ourselves when we are making those changes, because that's where true change comes from, is when we begin to change what's going on inside of us, taking a look at those patterns and belief systems that no longer work for us. And then we can change that, make those changes in our lives as we go into the new year. And it's not going to be instant, it's going to take some time. So we have to stay on top of it. We have to stay on top of ourselves, on top of what is happening inside of us, our emotions, our thoughts, our belief systems. To make these changes, to achieve our resolutions, our goals, we have to really go for it and dig our heels in and be intentional about it so that we can make those changes that we want to see. It's so easy to say that we are going to do these things and then begin to do them and make an honest start of it, but it tends to fall apart when we kind of go back into those habits, into those old belief systems about ourselves, about the world. So we really have to take a look at it, go within, really understand what's happening on the inside so that we can make those changes. I hope this helped you today. See you next time.